Did you see this chart right here? Bitcoin just flashed green on the Gaussian channel and it's done this exact move every single bear market. If you're new, welcome in. My name is Steve. Hit that subscribe button. Did you know 84% of traders lose money? It's not because they're unlucky. It's because the algorithms rigged the game against the average Joe. But not to worry. Over the past 20 years, I've been developing my own secret strategies to outsmart the algorithms and give the power back to the people. With my custom indicators, you'll get buy and sell alerts directly to your phone. I literally can't make it any easier. Imagine what it will feel like effortlessly winning trades. I'm doing you a huge favor. For my son's birthday, I'm making my indicator bundle the lowest price it's ever been. Plus, when you sign up, you'll get a masterclass course absolutely free. And for each person who signs up, I'm going to give a masterclass course for free to somebody in need. Only a limited time. Go to cryptocrewuniversity.com. The clock is ticking. cryptocrewuniversity.com. Sign up right now and do good in the world and do good for yourself. Now, Gaussian channel, we're on the 2-day chart, okay? Right now, you can see we just flipped green. The good thing is we've done the same exact move every single bear market. And here's the move, right? 2014, more than 300 days of red and then flipped to green. 2018, more than 300 days of red and then flipped to green. 2022, 2023, no different. More than 300 days of red, and we just flipped to green. So what does it mean? We got to look left. We have to look at the facts and the charts, and let's make some sound decisions. So if we go back to 2014, you can see that obviously we were green for a very long period of time. We had this minor blip of red here, and then reverted right back to green. And as soon as we flipped red, for that 300-day period, price was really below this Gaussian channel and it really struggled. This was the real peak of the bear market. This was the worst of the worst during this 300-day period. But then we showed this rare signal that happens every single bear market is after that 300 plus days of red, we flipped to green. But what did it signal this time is we actually flipped to green near the top of this recent move, which happened to be the top of this move, which happened to be the start of this downfall. And it took approximately 1 month to reach this pinnacle bottom here. So we basically retested our base, right? This flash of green in 2014, 2015 was the signal that we're about to retest our base, right? That's what it meant here. Now, fast forward to 2018, we had more than 300 days of red and we flipped to green. 2018 was a very unique cycle in which that we had this ABC correction and we actually double bottomed here. So we had too much exuberance in the market. We were really far too bullish at the time. It wasn't sustainable. We didn't build the proper market structure. This wasn't a typical market switching from bear to bull. This was far too much bullishness in the market, was not sustainable. We didn't create key structure. We didn't respect key levels. And if you watch our channel, we were fortunate enough to call the bottom. We were also fortunate enough to call the 14K top. But on the way up, we just kept saying video after video, this is not sustainable. People were so bullish calling for 100K, but it just wasn't sustainable, right? So this was a unique situation. 2014, that green that switched to green signaled that we were going to retest our base. In 2018, this green signal meant we're just going to continue going to the moon until it wasn't sustainable anymore. So now fast forward to this 2022, 2023. What we see happening is this fractal pattern here is very similar to 2014, 2015. It's not showing signs that it's very similar to 2018, right? For the months and months and months here on this channel, we've been comparing our fractal pattern that we're in right now to 2014, 2015. So if that's the case and we flip to green, we actually flip to green near where we started to retest our base. So, the facts are the facts. There are only 2 data points. We don't have 27 data points with more concrete information to go off of. We literally have 2. And one played out one way and one played out the other. The other way to look at it is in the big picture, when we flipped to green, the bear market was almost over. Unequivocally, those 2 data points are screaming the same thing, right? One cannot deny that we had over 300 days of red here, over 300 days of red here, and over 300 days of red here. And once we finished that red, we were either at the very, very tail end of the bear market, or we just started the bull run. Those are true facts based on all of the evidence right in front of us. Now, we did say that in our previous video, and by the way, double upload today. Can I get some double upload comments? We have some pretty heavy resistance right above our head. Can't deny that. That's a fact in the chart. It's a fact in like 12 charts, okay? We also can't deny that we've got some bearish divergence forming. The only way to avoid this bearish divergence is for our RSI to jump up into the mid 80s. If our RSI jumps up into the mid 80s, we can null and void some of this bearish divergence, and we can try to avoid it altogether. But we still can't ignore the fact that right above our head is heavy, heavy resistance with many, many, many different charts. Okay, so we did print green here on the Gaussian channel on the 2-day, and look, we're Mr. Consistency. I'm going to say the same thing that I've been saying all along. Bitcoin is, at worst case scenario, going to retest its base. But we cannot deny that we're at the tail end of this bear market and starting to show signs of shifting from bear to bull. Unequivocally, in the charts that I study, chart after chart after chart, it's saying the same thing. We have to remain level-headed. We can't get too excited on the way up. We can't get too depressed on the way down. If you wake up and Bitcoin is down, retesting its base, that's a beautiful sign. It's going to shake out a ton of weak hands, and it's going to represent one of the best buying opportunities of your entire life. This is not financial advice. I'm not your financial advisor, but I just like to state the facts, okay? So remain level-headed. We're all good. Nothing changed in the big picture. There might be some turmoil ahead, but we'll be in it together. And I'm going to try to upload a 3rd video today, so hit that subscribe button. I'll see you back here in a moment. Before I see you in the 3rd video, CryptoCrewUniversity.com. I'm doing a huge favor for my son's birthday, so go scoop that up. And we're doing good in the world, right? When you sign up, you're going to get something for free, and I'm going to give something for free in your name to somebody in need. So we're doing positive things in the world, and it starts with you. Go sign up, CryptoCrewUniversity.com. I'll see you right back here in the next video. Peace and love to the fellow underdogs. Welcome in to the game-changing indicator bundle.
I've made money back.
Now I have a structured plan. I learned something that I didn't know was possible to do.
I'm actually up 32,000.